Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Good afternoon from Copenhagen, Denmark. I had to literally force myself to get out of bed. I was so comfortable. After spending about 18 hours on a bus, you tend to just want to stay in bed. So that's exactly what happened. So I'm about to finish getting ready and head out into the city here in Copenhagen, Denmark. Today is my very last day in Europe for this trip. Tomorrow is a travel day. I leave Copenhagen at noon. I really don't like filming when I'm traveling, especially for long travels. Like, I'm going from Copenhagen to Reykjavik to Chicago. I have like an hour and a half layover in Reykjavik, so I kind of have to be on my shit and hurry up and get to my gate for Chicago. So with that being said, there will not be a travel day video for tomorrow. The next time you see me will be in Chicago, Illinois. Well, in the next video. For now, let's go see Copenhagen, Denmark. Well, I just got outside here in Copenhagen, Denmark. It looks like it's another gloomy, wet day here in Europe. Oh well, it's okay. I'll be okay. My GoPro's waterproof, so even if it downright downpours, I'll be okay. Oh no, my camera's fogged up. Well, I was going to get a hot dog here in Copenhagen today, but I'm not gonna eat a hot dog in the rain because all the hot dog stands are outside, meaning I'm gonna get wet trying to eat a hot dog. That's not cool. So I'm gonna go to the Tivoli food hall again here. I'm not gonna get sushi this time because that is ungodly expensive sushi. It's the best sushi I've ever had in my entire life, but it's also the most expensive. I got this cheeseburger. It was okay. It costed $17. Definitely not worth $17. Oh well. Well, you can see some of Tivoli Garden outside of the Tivoli food hall without having to pay, so that's pretty cool. If I was to visit Copenhagen in the summer, I would definitely go to Tivoli Garden, but it is way too cold and way too gloomy outside to really enjoy this. So if I was to visit Copenhagen in the summer, I would definitely go to Tivoli Garden, but it is way too cold and way too gloomy outside to really enjoy this. So well, I'm heading back to my hostel. I'm starting to feel a little bit sick from that burger. I usually always feel sick after eating hamburgers, so maybe I should just not eat hamburgers anymore. It doesn't help that the rain is also freezing just like it is outside. So here's my hostel urban house. I guess it's his hostel too. I'm gonna miss Danish Coke. All right, I feel better now. Now let's go see some more of Copenhagen, Denmark. It is currently nighttime now. Well, it's only 5 p.m., but the sun goes down here in Europe during the winter around 3:30 p.m. So make sure you do whatever you need to do during the day between the hours of 8 p.m. and 3 p.m. and you'll be good. If something you want to do, like say go see the Little Mermaid statue, if you want to do that and it's like 7 p.m., well, if it's 4 p.m., you're not really going to be able to get a good picture because it's going to be dark out. So just know that. All right. Now, I have no idea what the weather is like out right now. So hopefully it's not raining so I can have me one last hot dog. Let me throw away my trash. Hopefully it's not raining anymore so I can have one last hot dog before I leave Copenhagen, Denmark. All right, let's go out and see what I can get into. Okay, I'm outside now. I'm about to go get me a hot dog. It's sprinkling a very tiny bit. Not enough to keep me from getting my last hot dog, so. Okay, it's very windy in this square where the hot dog stand is. And that is making all the rain that's on the ground fly up into my face. I don't know if I want to eat a hot dog with that kind of weather conditions, so I think I'm gonna go somewhere else. So instead of getting a hot dog here on my last day in Copenhagen and in Europe, I'm gonna go to Max Hamburger, which is like this Scandinavian fast food chain. If I had to compare it to anything in America, I would compare it to In-N-Out. Really good. I went about 2 years ago in Oslo, Norway, and I saw that they have one here in Copenhagen as well. Copenhagen. So I'd like to go and when the wind kicks here in Copenhagen, it feels like ice cubes are being pressed against your skin, and there's nothing you can do about it except put gloves on, and maybe if I had a scarf and a hat it wouldn't be as bad, but I don't have a scarf and a hat, so yeah. Welcome to Copenhagen in the winter. I am back in my hostel. I decided I'm going to call it a night. It is 8 p.m. right now. I have a flight at noon and I want to be up by 7 a.m. to catch a train to the Copenhagen airport. So there's that. I was going to go out for a beer here in Copenhagen tonight, but I really do not feel like drinking. It is a very cold, wet, dark night here in Copenhagen. So with that being said, I'm just going to stay in and enjoy the rest of my night here at this hostel in Copenhagen. So for future travels, what do I have in mind? I would like to leave y'all with something that is somewhat of an entertaining video than everything else that you have seen in this video so far. So did you think I was really going to go home with zero plans, with zero future travel plans? No. No, 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 no.
Oh, no. 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 No, 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 no.
In February, I am going to Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm not sure if I'm going to take a road trip. I'm not sure if I'm going to take a flight, but I will be going to Las Vegas, Nevada. I see a slew of concerts happening around that time. So I thought to myself, why not return to Las Vegas? I was going to go to Las Vegas back in September, but with unfortunate circumstances in Warsaw, Poland, with my phone being stolen, I decided not to. I decided to go to Costa Rica instead because I didn't want that defeated feeling, because I was supposed to go to the Ukraine. And that was going to be, I believe, my 16th country at the time. And I was like, do I really want to go to Las Vegas? I've been to Las Vegas before. Do I really want to go this time instead of doing something else? And of course, I decided to do Costa Rica. and I enjoyed the fuck out of Costa Rica. I would love to go back to Costa Rica in 2019, and I probably will. I enjoyed it that much. But I want to go back to Las Vegas as well. So in February, that is happening. So the next time you will see me will be in Chicago, Illinois. I'm not going to be doing a travel day video. I'm not going to be doing a video where I'm going from Copenhagen to Reykjavik and Reykjavik to Chicago. I'm not going to be doing that because I really do not like having a camera stuck in my face while I'm in that kind of situation. I'm sorry. If I had like a girlfriend or a wife or a friend with me recording me, that would be different. But me recording myself in an airport or in an airplane, it's just not my cup of tea. I'll leave that to somebody who likes making those kind of videos. I like traveling, but I don't like filming the actual traveling, if you know what I mean. I'll film the destination. I'll film the journey sometimes if the journey fits what I want to film. I don't want to film myself in an airport when I have an hour and a half layover in Reykjavik. I'm going to be running to my gate once I arrive in Reykjavik and get through customs. Do I got to go through customs in Reykjavik? I might not even have to. I might have to go through an exit custom. I don't know. So anyways, the next time you see me will be in Chicago, Illinois. My name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Be sure to subscribe to me, give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell. That's all. See y'all in Chicago. Bye.